guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lupe, and today what I have for you guys is going to be an unboxing video, and I have like 4 boxes to open for you guys. And it's going to be so exciting, and yeah, let's go ahead and, jump right in. Let me move some stuff around because I am the worst at prepping for any video ever. Like, I'm also a procrastinator. So, I mean, disorganized, procrastinator, I'm like all the things you don't want to be. So learn from my mistakes. Don't be a procrastinator and make sure everything you need is like where you need it to be. So let me move this here so I can be a little bit more dramatic. I have, please don't tip over, 4 boxes of goodies, and oh my god, that is like leveling pro level. So as you guys saw, I have 2 boxes from Amazon, 1 box from Sephora, and 1 box from, of course guys, ULTA. Everything in these boxes is stuff that I've wanted for a while, stuff that I pre-ordered, and stuff that I have been leaving in the wish list. Everything that I've left on there, I finally decided to just do it, get it, I got it, and yeah, this is probably the longest introduction ever, but let's go ahead and start with the items. So I have a mixture of stuff that I've really wanted that's not makeup, and stuff that I really wanted that is makeup, including this wonderful cup that is not makeup. And no, this is not in the unboxing, but I just want to feature it because it is neon pink, it is studded, it is plastic, and it was expensive. First, we'll start off with the Amazon boxes. As you guys can see here, I have 2 boxes. They're little itty bitty tiny ones. I think they did that because this was pre-orders. I usually never pre-order, but I did for this because I've been really wanting it, and I wish I could have gotten more, but then again, I had to control myself. You guys, I can control myself. I just choose not to sometimes. So let's open these 2 boxes first. And again, this is the non-makeup items, and it's just 2 items, so it's not gonna be very much. But give me 1 second while I go ahead and tear these boxes open. Okay, so I opened the boxes, and guess what, guys? No bubble wrap. First thing in the first box is this Funko Pop, and it is, if you guys are anime fans, I know maybe my viewers aren't anime fans, maybe you're just here for the makeup, but All Might from Hero Academia, and this is the Silver Age All Might, and he has the coolest pose ever. I know the reflection isn't going to do it justice, so I'm just going to keep it at a distance, angled. I'll insert a little picture of it here. Oh my god, so freaking cute. I think I bought it for like $10.99 plus tax, so like 12 bucks. I freaking love All Might. So first one, and I love All Might so much. I pre-ordered another All Might, and this is the All Might teacher version of him. You guys see that? He's a teacher. Again, I'll put a little picture right here for like what it looks like, because I know the glare is gonna kill it, but and this was in his little yellow outfit, and you can't resist, I swear to you. Funko Pop, sometimes they make really cute things. I just love the fact that his face is the same, and he looks so cute in his little yellow outfit. He looks cute in his little Silver Age outfit, and gosh, I might just get every single All Might Funko Pop out there. I mean, I'll get the rest of the characters. If you guys don't know anything about anime, it's fine. Just look up Hero Academia and watch it, because you will not regret it. It's so freaking good. So good. So good. So good. Sephora? Anyone? Sephora? Let's open this. Sephora VIB sale, if you guys haven't heard, is available now. It is available for another week or 2. And now, anybody, any tier of VIB or Sephora member gets 20% off everything. At least almost everything. I think there's some exclusions. I don't know what they are, but you get 20% off everything. So they wrapped their stuff with recyclable paper, a sheet of bubble wrap, perfection. I got, oh, it's wrapped in foam and everything. Cool. Empty box. No samples. I thought I selected some samples. As you guys can see, I got the Norvina collection volume 3, and this was my favorite out of all 3 volumes that came out. The minis are just not my thing, not my cup of tea, but the bigger ones I'm kind of happy about. But in all honesty, if there was one Norvina collection volume I was going to get, it was this one, and this is the 3rd one. This is just beautiful. I honestly freaking love it. This retailed for $60, and I got it 20% off, so I paid a little less than that. Free shipping, of course. $60. $60. Y'all remember when I said in a video once upon a time that I didn't spend more than $100 on makeup? I lied. I can spend more than $100. I just shouldn't, ever. This is a pressed pigment palette. I'm not going to go too much into depth about it, but I want to show you guys the palette, how beautiful it is. It's plastic, and there's like a bunch of shades in it. So there's 25 shades, and of course it comes with plastic, and the mirror in here is insane, and the shades, oh my god, this is gorgeous. This is exactly what I pictured. A little bit more colorful than I thought it would be. I kind of figured it would kind of be like a warm orangey palette, and it's got like a lot of scattered colors. I don't know how I feel about like the way that they, you know, scattered the colors around. I mean, sure, it makes it look really cute, but I kind of like it when things are like in order, and I think that's a little bit of a complaint for everyone. But that is, this is $60. I don't have commentary to say about it right now because this is an unboxing video, but besides that, look cute. All right, so the next box is ULTA. So you guys are wondering, what did I order on the other box? You guys are gonna hate me, but I got bags of air again. This time 3 and one of them popped. Crap. Just kidding. Just kidding. I got this this Norvina Volume 1 palette. Norvina Volume 1. So not only did I get the 3, I got the 1, and that means another $60. But again, I got 20% off because ULTA had Prestige, and that's like super rare. So I, as you guys know, love to support ULTA more than Sephora, and the fact that they still had the Norvina palettes at ULTA, I decided to get it at ULTA versus getting it at Sephora. Plus, the 20% off was before Sephora, so I actually got these in different times. I just wanted to do a video together. Anyway, pretty much the same thing, minus the foam paper, packaging-wise. Nothing different, but same price, same ordeal, different color story, obviously, if you guys couldn't tell. One was orange, one was purple. This is it. Again, a pro pigment palette, but this is the volume 1. And this is it. Plastic, 25 shades again. It's literally the exact same thing, but be careful. Look at these shades. You cannot say that is not cute. Ooh. And honestly, I really wanted purples. I really wanted oranges. And I got both. And my wallet's not happy because that just means I almost spent $120. $120. I want to show you guys both side by side because we have the opportunity to do it. Each of them. So these is both of them side by side. Hopefully I don't like break one. Ooh, they have magnets. They are magnetic and I don't want to break anything. So I got lashes as well in my ULTA box. And I got these Ardell Naked Lashes. And this is the number 421. 421. And this is the number 424. And I'm wearing right now 424, and it is my favorite lash ever. They don't look insane. They don't feel insane. They don't feel heavy. They don't feel like there's something on your eyes. They are very comfortable. This one is less comfortable than this one, but I think it's because I'm not used to this shape. I'm always used to like the butterfly kind of lashes. Anyway, I recommend trying these. I don't know how much I paid for them. I think I paid like $4, $5. I don't remember. Okay, so now I'm totaling everything out and just giving you guys the appropriate prices for everything. So for each Norvina palette, I ended up paying $48 for each palette. This is pre-tax. If I paid for shipping, pre-shipping, just $48 with the 20% off, and that's each palette. The lashes I got buy one get one 50. So it was $40.99 for one lash and $2.50 for the other. I don't know how they do their math, but. And then for my Funko Pops, I ended up paying $10.99 pre-tax for each. Like $10.99 pre-tax for each. So in my, oh, and my cup, which was $19 plus tax. So the total of my grand haul for today for you guys, pre-tax, pre-shipping, me going out buying stuff, is $144 with 47 cents. My heart, my bank account. Granted, I am justifying my purchases because I spent $60 on a larger palette, not a tiny one. And I got 2 Funko Pops and this cup. I mean, I couldn't resist. And it's limited edition, and that is the biggest issue with limited edition. Like, you shouldn't buy things because it's limited edition. What can I say? I love to buy things, and $144.47 is a lot of money. And that's not including taxes. So y'all can only imagine. I probably paid like 20 bucks. I don't know how much taxes here. Hang on. 10%. Okay, so taxes here is like $14 for everything. So I paid like almost $160. We're not going to talk about it. We're not going to talk about it. And to think, this wasn't the only makeup I wanted. This wasn't the only Funko Pops I wanted. That wasn't the only cup I wanted. I still need more lashes. Lesson learned. The big takeaway from this video, guys, besides watching me unbox stuff, because that's always fun, the lesson behind this video is wait for sales, pre-order wisely, and make sure what you're getting is worth it. I'm happy with what I bought. I'm happy with my unboxings. I'm glad nothing is broken, because, you know, there is a possibility that things can be broken. I don't know. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this content. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And thanks for watching me unbox stuff. And really, I didn't unbox this cup. I just keep bringing it up because it's so freaking cute. I need to refill it. But I will definitely do dedicated videos of each palette. Y'all know I love to try things out. So we'll see with that. Y'all, I'm a procrastinator. I'm sorry. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.